Hey kids, how are you? We are going to take out this power valve now. This is on the TBI bikes, 23 to 26 TBI bikes. This is a 300. My best suggestion to you is be your own service guy. Like if you were looking at a service manual, take pics. That is key. You don't know how something goes together? Take a pic. Right now, the power valve is open all the way, and the best way to move it is to grab with some pliers, move it back and forth here. It moves nice and slow. But now, you know, the power valve is in a wide open position. Take a pic. Okay, right now, this side is wide open. Here's the orientation of things. This side, exact same thing. So when you put it back together, you have a decent idea of what is going on. This is a T25, a Torx 25. You will need that to take them out. Personally, I use the air impact ratchet because they have Loctite in them from the factory. So something like this is a little bit tougher to get them out. When you take your exhaust manifold off, hold on for a second. Here would be your exhaust manifold. Of course, this is the racing, the one that we make. Once you take these bolts off, there should be sealer between this and the cylinder. So if it's sticky, a real easy way to get it off is just to take a screwdriver and pry in between these two things, or this side here. Take the screwdriver, twist it, hold on, I'll show you. Twist it like this, and that will pop it easily on both sides. And when you're putting it back together, you know, you'll use a gasket making material. I'll show you at the end. Okay, what is our next step? This actually doesn't need to come off. This assembly will come out by itself. So you can just kind of pry that way. And you can actually work this thing out. Hold on. There you go. And it will just come out. You don't need to take that apart. These aspects of it, this is just a 4mm Allen wrench. They are together, they are timed together. So when you take this apart, this side comes off, the other side slides out. Off. You can't screw it up because it has timing marks on it. This comes out. And then these two little dudes come out. This is where you would use your T25, put it in reverse. You can't take them all the way out. You're going to break it loose. Watch it. Get this thing in a line so you can get the screw out. Then this assembly will slide on out. You know, that's pretty much it. And you put it back together in reverse. I would put some grease here because you have this rotating O-ring seal. This rotates on this sleeve. So you might want to watch these O-rings in here, check them. I grease these one more time, put them together. As far as the sealer goes, personally I use something like this. Just a Moto Seal gasket maker made by Permatex. You basically get it at your automotive store. And you can put that on these surfaces here when it all goes back together. Okay, that's all you need to know. Thanks.